With change being the only constant, we as living entities have evolved in understanding our responsibilities towards our environment. But the most critical question now is, who is taking the responsibility for our safety? Over the past few decades, things around us have evolved and changed drastically. With the surging needs and pressing demands of ever-increasing population, the inventions, innovations and discoveries in science have been radically increasing around the globe. If the escalating needs have posed a challenge in inventing new methods, then every invention has also challenged us to evaluate its safety and efficacy prior to its use and consumption. With the vision to accept this challenge, JRF was established in 1977. JRF India is located at Vapi, 160 kilometers north of Mumbai in India. With its enormous research experience, today JRF has emerged as a global one-stop contract research organization committed to offer preclinical safety data that meets the stringent global regulatory requirements. JRF is spread over more than 10,000 square meters state-of-the-art infrastructure that houses sophisticated laboratories. The testing facilities are spread over 11 hectares of sprawling, lush, green, serene, pollution-free area with picturesque natural surroundings, highly conducive for research. The global JRF has propagated from a tiny seed sown in India. It has spread its wings across the globe with its international collaborating organizations, JRF America in the US and JRF International and GC Laboratories in the UK. GC Laboratories Limited is located near Luton in the UK. It is an MHRA-accredited GLP laboratory with more than 30 years of experience in the field of analytical chemistry. It provides analytical services to the European clients of JRF Global. JRF America Inc. is an advanced laboratory inspected by US EPA for GLP compliance. It offers higher-tier environmental fate studies, bioanalysis, operator exposure, field trials and residue studies. The accreditations bestowed upon the global units of JRF are ALAC, Good Laboratory Practice certifications from GLP monitoring authorities of India and the Netherlands, MHRA and US EPA. Being one of the most dependable, competent and cost-effective CROs, JRF has successfully delivered thousands of globally accepted GLP study reports to over 800 clients across the globe, which register their products aimed as pharmaceuticals, biologicals, agrochemicals, biocides, specialty chemicals and other allied products. With its meticulously managed project management systems based on computerized master schedule, JRF ensures timely delivery of reports to meet regulatory deadlines. The Global Customer Relationship Management System integrates all the customer-specific business details to form an easily accessible global database. Highly secured and computerized Test Item Control Office ensures safe receipt of the test item, provides the unique code, maintains its mass balance and issue log, while storing the same in environmentally controlled storage till usage or archival. The toxicology expertise at JRF offers a wide range of preclinical studies with rodents and non-rodents. The studies, such as single-dose to repeated-dose toxicity, carcinogenicity, developmental and reproductive toxicity, mutagenicity and endocrine disruptor screening in compliance with the global regulatory guidelines make JRF a complete CRO. The barrier-maintained rodent facility has numerous animal experimentation rooms with access control. The building management system logs the environmental data round the clock. Dedicated AHUs provide HEPA-filtered fresh air at around 20 fresh air changes per hour. 100% redundancy is ensured with 1,000 TR screw chillers and 1 megawatt power plant. BMR facility receives sterile cages, feed, bedding material through the double-ended autoclaves. The animal experimentation rooms have dedicated areas for experimental diet and dose preparation, neuro-behavioral observations as well as surgery. The labs are equipped with motor activity monitoring systems, Morris Mays systems, startle response logging systems, grip strength meter, digital plethysmometer, incapacitance tester, and other advanced equipment. A strong mutagenicity capability enables JRF to offer a comprehensive range of in vitro and in vivo studies for assessing the possible mutagenic potentials of the test compounds. These include HPRT forward mutation assay, chromosomal aberration in human lymphocytes and rodent bone marrow, in vivo as well as in vitro micronucleus tests, and reverse mutation by Ames test. Our experienced toxicopathologists and the peer review process ensure the generation of logical conclusions about the toxicopathological implications related to the test item. The team undertakes gross necropsy and histopathology with terminal clinical pathology. The facility is well equipped with automated equipment such as tissue processors, tissue embedding machines, ultramicrotomes, and autostainers. Global pathology experts visit to mentor and map the competency of JRF's toxicopathologists. Clinical chemistry labs are equipped with online data capturing analyzers for biochemistry, hematology, coagulation, electrolytes, and urine analysis. JRF is proud to have one of the best canine research facilities in India, housing individual dogs in SS pens, with provision for socialization, exercise, and enrichment. The toxicology or toxicokinetics studies can be overlapped with parallel observations with the cardiovascular system of the dogs. JRF has instituted stringent ethical animal research practices under the watchful eyes of the Animal Welfare Officer as a member of the Institutional Animal Ethics Committee. JRF's global chemistry expertise at India and JC Laboratories encompasses product chemistry, analytical chemistry, impurity profiling, and 5-batch analysis and shelf life studies, as well as residue analysis at extremely low detection limits in full compliance with global guidelines. The latest and most sophisticated equipments that offer a cutting edge in conducting the chemistry studies of global JRF include a battery of LC-MS, LC-MS-MS, GC-MS, HPLC, and GLC. The spectrometry instruments include ICP, FTIR, UV visible, and mass spectrometry. Some specialized equipments like DSC, TGA, and PKA Sirius T3 complete the comprehensive range. JRF's bioanalytical expertise spreads over toxicokinetics, bioavailability, and metabolism. The strong scientific acumen supported by ELISA, SPE-based sample preparation, QTRAP SciX 4000 for analysis, and Win non-Lin-based interpretations establish the transition of the test compound into the natural mammalian clearance systems. JRF's expertise in evaluation of ecotoxicity potential encompasses lab testing as well as regulatory risk evaluation. Aquatic studies cover extended toxicity with fish, immobilization and reproduction studies with Daphnia, and algal growth inhibition studies for ensuring the impact of the contamination of the test items on various aquatic ecosystems and catchment basins. Terrestrial studies include oral, contact, and tunnel tests with honeybees, acute and reproduction toxicity to earthworms and birds. JRF America and JRF India offer environmental fate services using their expertise for tracking transition of the chemicals on matrices like soil, water, and plants. The US and the Indian facilities are licensed to handle radio-labeled materials. The experts in the relevant field ensure studies with diversified matrices ranging from soil, aquatic media, biological fluids, to plant and animal tissues. These facilitate conduct of absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion capabilities to support these studies. The facilities to support these efforts include latest instrumentation, including tissue oxidizer, phosphor imager, liquid scintillation analyzer, flow scintillation analyzer, soil respiration system, radio TLC gel plate scanner, photolysis apparatus, and TOC analyzer. Residue analytical and collaborative field efforts are the hallmark of capabilities offered from JRF Global. The efforts are well supported by field and analytical residue expertise and sophisticated equipment to analyze residues, metabolites and degradants, ensuring availability of the necessary wherewithal for conducting the residual and persistent studies in soil, water, crops and food commodities. Services that meet international quality standards are the hallmark of JRF. The Global Quality Assurance Unit affirms the strict adherence to and compliance with GLP in JRF India and GC Lab, while US EPA ensures compliance at JRF America. Study Audit reviews the study protocols, audits live phases, raw data, draft and final reports. System Audit includes the facility audits and document control. Each scientist at JRF is trained and regularly monitored for keeping abreast of GLP compliance. Global JRF offers strong traceable archival and retrieval systems with tracking software. These accommodate dedicated areas for dry and wet archives in an environmentally safe area. JRF has taken a lead in establishing a GLP calibration lab to ensure that research is reliable and reproducible. JRF International provides services for REACH, risk assessments and regulatory consultancy, culminating in dossier preparation. Regulatory experts in the UK are supported by an expert team in India for global regulatory services. Of all the systems and technologies that have put JRF into the league of highly reputed CROs, their most valued assets are their human resources, which is an assemblage of highly qualified and experienced professionals. Each employee at JRF takes pride in organizational values and culture, which has bound them as a globally cohesive unit. That is, we the living beings. JRF Global. We believe in the simple dictum of Mahatma Gandhi. Customers are not dependent on us, we are dependent on them. They are not outsiders in our business, they are part of it.